Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again and really welcome back to this amazing upcoming series of an end-to-end project wherein we are going to create a power generation project from end to end, starting from creating a virtual environment in our system to install all the dependency that we need till the end, where we will learn about CI/CD also, that whatever we have been making all the progress, how to push into GitHub or any sort of Git that you are using. So let me go into slider mode so that I can explain you better. Let me get a pen. Okay, so the first piece would be to, as I mentioned, creating a virtual environment where we'll create and install all the important dependency that we need, and then we're going to get a data set from Kaggle. You can take the data set from anywhere. I will post all the data set link in the description also, that so that you can follow along with me. And for the sake of simplicity, I am putting the source as my local file, but in your case you can put in your S3 bucket, you can put into your blob storage, you can put anywhere like in your SQL server. That can just name it, and we will have that source. So the tool that we are going to use is called Mage AI. So if you are bit familiar with what exactly Airflow is, so Airflow is also an data orchestration tool wherein you can create an end-to-end orchestrated pipeline, that how the thing should be, and you can set up sort of trigger that when you want to trigger that pipeline. So exactly Mage AI works like that, and the best part about is it has an amazing UI also. So you can it can be a bit intuitive to you also, that how you can interact with UI and get the work done very faster. So that's a plus point there. And apart from that, we are going to divide this into three states. First, we're going to load the data. Second, we're going to transform the data, and then third, we are going to export the data. So for exporting, our destination would be a SQL server. So my SQL server is in local itself. So I am going to push the entire whatever transform data that I do have into a SQL server. Once everything is done, what we are going to do is connect my Power BI through my SQL server so that I can create a amazing dashboard to you guys. And I will each step. So the entire point of creating this is as a series, because I wanted to go as deep as I can for each of the things, because I can complete this entire project within 30 minutes or 40 minutes in front of you. But I would say that whatever I know here for each of the thing, any difficulty that I faced, or if at any industry level, what more thing or what is the best practice that you should be taking care of, I will be going to talk all of them in this video or in this series. So stay tuned with the entire series, and everything is going to be on my YouTube channel, and we are going to use Visual Studio here. So if you do not know too much about Visual Studio, it's fine. You can follow along and we'll side by side work it together. So we'll set up a virtual environment, as I mentioned, and then orchestrating data, creating a dashboard, GitHub. So this is going to be a whole package here, and I am excited to share this with you guys. I hope you guys are also excited. So stay tuned with the other part of it. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and thank you and have a nice day. Bye.